How to tag everyone on WhatsApp group. So if you want to tag everyone on WhatsApp group, then first you need to open up your WhatsApp and go with a group. Now, once you're under the group, for example, if you're using other social media devices like Messenger, Instagram, and everything, and in those accounts, you just need to simply go and type @ and then everyone. Once you've done this, it will select everyone in other social media accounts, right? But in WhatsApp, it's not the same. What you need to do is to tag everyone on your WhatsApp group. You just need to simply go and tag each and every one that you have on your group. So in this group, I only have one person, but if you have 4 to 5 or 10 to 15 persons in a group, you can simply go and select each and every person and then go with send. In this way, you'll be able to tag everyone on your WhatsApp group, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.